How to check cylinder misfires with Launch Scanner PC. You can clearly see that cylinder number 1 and 2 are showing 0 misfires, whereas cylinder number 3 is showing variations in graph. Now you can see how many misfires are being shown in cylinder number 3.